Welcome to Power BI demo channel. Today's topic, Power BI Desktop April 2020 update on decomposition tree. Today I'll be talking about the composition tree, and we'll be using the world population data which I have downloaded from the internet. So here we have the country, we have their population, and also have converted that population on with the percentage. So this is a pivot table. So for example, if we have here, we have all the cities of Italy, or the country of Italy. We can see all the cities which are made of that country. So what we need to do, or what we need to achieve here using the composition tree, is to be able to see the country, the population of that country, and then we want to see each and every city population. So to be able to do that, we can use the decomposition tree, which is very, very good in the decomposition of the data. Let's have a look on that. So what you do, we Control-C, Control-V to copy the same data which you want to decompose. So that gives us the same data. So again, we go there, we use our decomposition diagram visualization, which is there, decomposition tree. And this will now turn to decomposition. Now what you see here is the total population of the world, which is 3 billion there. So now we have that. We need to decompose this by country, which have got the highest value. And then so we use the highest value. So this will show the countries. And that's a country, and it's showing the one with the highest value and descending that way. Then every time you see this plus there, it means you can decompose further. So we need now to decompose using their cities here, which are made of those countries. So we can see we're going to start with the high value. You can also start with a small value. So we do with high value. And we can see those are all the cities in the United States. Again, these are all the cities in China, in Japan. We can see all that, and that is being decomposed. So what we can do, we can add a tooltip, which is being updated on Power BI April 2020, and so we can remove. So every time we hover around the data, we can see the tooltip. So like for example here, we have added this percentage of the world population. So basically this is what's the tooltip there. So we can remove that tooltip. And you see when we hover around here, there is no that percentage there. So once we add that tooltip, and we're going to use something else, so let's use the admin name here to make it easier for you to see how that tooltips work. So this will give us an admin name when you hover it there with the other data. And you can see the first admin name there, and we can see all that information there. So that is how Power BI April 2020 updates on a decomposition tree. And today we have discussed or have shown a quick demo on how to decompose the data using decomposition tree, and how to use the tooltip to get more information. And you can still add more information on tooltip if you want to do that, depending with your data. So thank you so much for sending Power BI demo channel. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment.